So to make the roasted tomato pepper dip, I am using some fresh cherry tomatoes from my garden. I'm going to be cooking this in my air fryer under roast, so I'm going to place this straight in, along with 4 garlic cloves and some chili peppers. You can add as much chili peppers as you want depending on how spicy you want to make this dip. And these are the peppers I grew in my backyard. You could definitely use any peppers of your choice. Place this straight into the air fryer and we're going to roast this at 375 for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, it should look something like this. You want it quite roasted and charred like this for extra flavor. In a mortar and pestle, I'm going to add the roasted pepper straight in, along with the roasted garlic and some sea salt. Pound this until everything is mashed up. And then we're going to go straight in with the roasted tomatoes. While the roasted tomatoes are still hot, we're going to go straight in with all the herbs to allow the heat from the roasted tomatoes to kind of wilt the herbs. Give this a really gentle pound and stir. And then add in some fish sauce, stir it up, and this is pretty much it for the roasted tomato pepper dip. This dip is amazing over any type of protein. You can also eat it as is over rice. It's amazing. And it also goes really well with seafood, especially any type of white fish. But other than that, that's how you make the roasted tomato pepper.